Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel, topic of defense technology news. News is Lockheed Martin ramps up missile and space system production amid soaring global demand. Lockheed Martin is rapidly expanding its production capacity across key defense systems in response to increased global demand. The company is investing heavily in advanced automation, resilient supply chains, and manufacturing infrastructure to boost delivery speed and efficiency. Following demonstrated success in real-world operations, the PAC-3 Missile Segment Enhancement (MSE) has seen a surge in demand from the United States and allied nations. We're working closely with the U.S. Army to increase our production rate to meet the worldwide demand, the company stated, confirming it is on track to produce over 600 units in 2025, with a target of 650 units by 2027. Lockheed Martin's Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, GMLRS, has surpassed 75,000 rockets delivered and is nearing a 14,000-unit annual production rate. The firm noted, "These efforts are a testament to our ability to scale and respond to evolving global security needs." The production capacity for high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, has doubled from 48 to 96 launchers annually, completed ahead of schedule. This growth is supported by $2.8 billion in U.S. Army contracts and significant supply chain and tooling expansions. The Precision Strike Missile (PRSM) program is currently delivering early operational capability missiles and is ramping to a production capacity of 400 missiles per year. This follows a March 2025 indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract award, as Lockheed Martin aims to further boost surge capacity and delivery timelines. Substantial updates are also underway for the Javelin missile production line, aimed at modernization and efficiency gains. With current output at 2,400 units annually, the company targets an increase to 3,960 by late 2026 to meet growing global demand. For the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, JSM, and Long Range Anti-Ship Missile, LRASM, production capacity is expanding under a $3.2 billion undefinitized contract action awarded in 2024. Additionally, a facilitization Phase 3 contract from August supports further scale-up for the U.S. Air Force and Navy. In the space sector, Lockheed Martin's new facility opened in 2023 to process small satellites for high-rate delivery, including Space Development Agency missions. The 20,000-square-foot site supports the output of up to 180 spacecraft annually, with integrated testing and delivery systems tailored for speed and flexibility. Lockheed Martin is delivering at the speed of relevance, backed by the strength of American manufacturing and a resilient defense industrial base, the company declared. "We built the arsenal, and we're continuing to innovate for current and future warfare needs." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.